Learn how to make French fries with Chef Josh or CCC. So get your potato, so you slice it into reasonable pieces. It depends on your interest. Remember, you're doing French fries. So you're going to get your saucepan. You're going to put water. Then you put turmeric for color. Then after putting turmeric for color, you're going to put salt for taste. Then after putting salt for taste, you're going to apply some garlic. Then you're going to also apply some red onions, fresh coriander, spring onions. Then you're going to put our French fries. Remember, we are going to boil. Yeah, you have boil because you are looking for taste. We need to get that different taste into our what? Into our French fries. So after you remove all the excess water, then apply sugar, sprinkle with sugar. Then after sprinkling with sugar, we are going to also apply or coat with some wheat flour or corn flour. It depends on your choice. Then you are going to deep fry until crunchy. I request, don't forget to follow me. Follow me, like and share this video so that it can reach to everyone, because this video is too important. If you want, you can make these fries for your kids, for your husband, for your family at home. I love you. This is Chef Josh Omsisis. Don't forget to follow me now.